Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm sharing a favorites video, and I'm trying to do this in a little bit of an ASMR style to go along with VEDA and Vloggist, as what I've been doing is creating ASMR styled videos for the most part. So today I'm going to share 9 of my favorite items, and I'm going to start with a tool, and that is this Jigsaw by Ryobi. And if you've been watching any of my recent videos, you'll notice that I have used this quite a bit in creating some projects, and I'll link some of those videos below if you're interested in seeing some of the woodworking things that I've done using this jigsaw. It's very light and easy to use, and I highly recommend it. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it as much as I did when I first got it. I kind of thought maybe I had wasted my money, but it actually comes in very handy and it works for a lot of different projects, and I plan on using it coming up, so stick around for future videos to see how I use this tool here. Next, I'm going to go right into food items. So I have 2 food items. One is something that I'm always eating. Some of these favorites are things that I've recently started to use. Others are just all-time favorites. And one of those things is these pretzels here. And as you can see, the bag's almost empty. But these Schneider's of Hanover sourdough nibblers are my absolute favorite snack. These are my go-to snack. I munch on these any time of the day. So just a staple item in it for me. Next food item is spinach. Recently I made an omelet using spinach, and I actually, every time I make an omelet, it always has spinach in it. But the reason it's a favorite is because I literally use this for everything. I put this on cheeseburgers in place of lettuce. I've used it on other things in place of lettuce. I eat this plain as a salad with other things in place of lettuce, and it also goes in smoothies. It's just so versatile, and I usually get the organic one, but there's always some spinach in this house. Cooked or not cooked, it's a favorite. The next item I want to share is this here. I'm calling it a book holder, but I don't know if it has an official name, but I picked this up at the Goodwill for about $3 or $4 not too long ago, and it has this adjustable thing in the back, so the height can be adjusted. And what I use this for, or what I have used it for so far, is for cooking. If I have a recipe that's either in my recipe book, I will sit this right on the stand if it's in my book, or I'll even put my phone there, and it's easy to follow a recipe while cooking without, you know, having the item flat on the surface or on the counter. So I like this for that purpose. It's an easier way to just prop things up. The next thing I have is actually an app. Filmora Go is what I've been using a lot lately for the month of August, and I did use this last year in August just for VEDA or Vloggist, because it's much easier when you're recording on the go to record on your phone. And a great app for editing your videos when you're recording on your phone is Filmora Go. And I don't know if there's some little issues with the app recently, but I have noticed that I've had a few difficulties with it, but it's still a favorite of mine. Even if I'm not able to edit in that app per se, I will edit in like InShot, which is another favorite, but I'm just talking about Filmora Go for now. It's not sponsored, but I just like, they have transitions you can add, you can do voiceovers, you can add music, you can slow down the speed of a clip or increase the speed. There's a lot of things you can do, and then you can upload directly from the app to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So that's one of my favorite apps right now. The next thing I have is a favorite scent right now, and that is Marshmallow Fireside, in this spray in particular. So I do love to buy these sprays for the bathroom mostly, but then sometimes I'll use it in the kitchen or wherever really. This one is one of my favorites right now. Marshmallow Fireside. Next I have this tripod that I purchased at Five Below. If you have a store like this near you, you'll notice that some of their items are going above $5. So I think this was $5.55. But for quick filming, this has been perfect, especially when filming on your phone, because this little thing holds the phone. This little space here, and then this tripod literally sits right up on a table, a little countertop, and you can film hands-free, and it can be adjusted. You can move it around, and then if you have a normal size tripod, this piece here twists right out, and you can record on your phone on a larger tripod as well. So this has been a definite favorite so far, and highly recommended. So even a little bit more than $5, but it's still worth it. So my next favorite is this bag. This is my Patricia Nash tote. This has been loved since I purchased it. It's been a few months. It's genuine leather. It has a little pocket here. It has a little print here. And then inside the print is gold. Through the little spaces, you can see some gold peeking through. And inside has this pink here. I've seen this with different interior colors. This one I have is fuchsia or hot pink. It's perfect. It has two interior pockets on the side here that are just open, and then on the other side it has a zipper pocket. And to close it up, it has two snaps here, and it just stands right up. The handles kind of, you know, they do their thing. They used to just stand straight up, but I'm glad that they're starting to like fall over a little bit. But I do really like bags that hold their shape, and this one does a great job with holding its shape. And it has this little thing here. This is just a little decorative piece. So this is a definite favorite. I love the fact that it can hold a small amount of things, but I love when I go out somewhere and I have, you know, throw some extra items in here and it kind of starts to fill up, and then it turns straight into like a nice little tote bag. For the last item, it's actually a bag that I use inside of this bag, and that is this one here. And this bag here is Dooney and Burke. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right, but Dooney and Burke, and it has, I use this as my wallet, so it has two zippers here. I usually keep my paper money in here. And then I have this other pocket here. I just have this little thing that I use inside of the bag. That's where I keep my change and some additional cards. But I also just have cards lined in here, and then there's an inside pocket as well, which I use to hold even more cards. But what I really like about this item is that if I don't feel like carrying this whole bag into the store or wherever I'm going, sometimes I'll just leave that in the car and I'll just throw my phone in here. So this becomes like a smaller purse, and then I can just take it by the handle and just run in real quick, do whatever I need to do, and run out. So those are my favorite items right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Leave a comment below. What do you think about any of these items? Do you use any of them, or what are your thoughts? Please stay tuned for more videos. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.